how to use sea salt spray, specifically my Tidal Wave sea salt spray, for creating waves and just for your hair in general. So this is really a unique product. This is something that I had, reformulated and tested at least 4 or 5 times to get the final formula, which is this one right here that I'm holding. And what it's designed to do is to add texture to the hair, enhance waves, help create waves. It's really amazing for fine hair types because what it does is it helps kind of bind the hair together and make it thicker on fine hair, and it gives it that lift and volume that you are looking for. It doesn't make your hair oily. If anything, it gives it more of a matte type of look and a matte type of feel, so it enhances everything. It's not going to be adding any shine or extra shine or anything like that. It's also paraben-free, alcohol-free. It's cruelty-free, vegan. So a lot good stuff going on in here. Now, in my opinion, as someone who created this and tested it, you don't want to overspray this product. Okay, what you want to do is maybe spray. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, anywhere from 4 to 6 spritzes on your hair. Now, you can do it on dry hair like you see here. Let it settle into the hair. And then maybe give it a scrunch like this, a light scrunch, then set it and forget it. If you have wavy hair ready, if you have curly hair like this, the last thing you want to do is actually try to run your fingers through it, mess it up like so. If anything, you want to spray it, let it coat and settle onto the hair first, give it like a couple of seconds, and then you can go in and scrunch, then go to lunch. Scrunch, then go to lunch. You don't want to touch it after this. Set it, forget it, leave it alone, because the more you mess with it, the more it's going to break down the product and kind of deflate that volume and that hold that it's going to give you, the support of your hairstyle. All right? Now, if you want to use sea salt spray on damp hair or so, it's the same exact thing. Spray on 4 or 5, maybe 6 spritzes, depending on what you're trying to do. And then you can go in and use the diffuser, which comes with my ionic blow dryer, right? This folds in half, great for travel sizing. I've been a stylist for over 30 years, and a diffuser is really a necessary tool for creating volume, for creating shape in your hair, enhancing waves and things like that. And the best thing you want to do is just, again, make that little scrunch, and you can go right onto the hair like so and move it around lightly like this. I like to put it on full heat, but I also keep it on the low setting, which is this right here. It's a lower setting, and what you can do is kind of create circular movements like this with the diffuser, and it kind of scrunches the hair a bit without you having to use your hands too much. And if you are going to use your hands, you can go in and use the fingertips like this. You see that? Those are my fingertips, and I'm going in and lightly just enhancing and shaping and sculpting the hair. You do not want to run your fingers through the hair. You don't want to mess up what you just created and what you just worked on. All right? Now, if you are looking for something like this, and let's just say you've got straighter hair, a hairstyle like this, you want to get some volume in there. This is, again, great for someone who's got straight hair. You could spray it in, like so. You can lift and spray at the root. There's one spray right there, another spray right there, another spray. You can actually target where you are trying to get the volume in the hair. And then what you can do is you can use the nozzle, which this blow dryer comes with as well. And then you're going to use full heat and full speed ahead. And you can see within seconds, we've created a ton of volume. Look at this volume right here, literally done in seconds. And yes, I know this looks like the lead singer from A Flock of Seagulls, but here's the proof. that this works, okay? It doesn't feel dry, it doesn't feel sticky. So people who are obsessed with, trying to go on Amazon and buy this, and have thoughts and opinions, I'm literally doing this right here in front of you. The hair feels smooth, the hair feels soft in a sense, but it's got a ton of volume and it really works well. If your hair is very, very dry, very fried, very difficult to work with, the product is not the problem, it's your hair type. I'm telling you because I've worked on thousands of heads. It's your hair type if it's not working out properly, or you don't know how to style the hair. The product is not gonna just work where you spray it on and then all of a sudden you blow dry it by not using your hands, not using any sort of drying technique, not using one of my brushes. You can't just spray this on, hit it with a blow dryer, and then expect to have volume like this. It all comes down to technique. If you want to get, bigger biceps, you want to get whatever it is you're trying to do, you have to use certain movements and things to work out and to get the biceps to be more enhanced and whatever it is. Same thing with hair. So when using the sea salt spray and my tidal wave here, it's really an amazing product, and I have a special code. If you use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com, you get 20% off. And if you are looking to purchase this anywhere in Europe or outside of the United States, you can find this on Slick Hair Shop. That's Slick, H-A-A-R Shop, and they do all my fulfillment for my products in Europe. You can go there and you can hopefully get it from them. But thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Let me know if you're using this. Thanks so much, and I'll see you soon.